Ow! Damn! Hold on. Ouch! Okay, man. I got to the head. Wow. Ow! Yeah.
Where did you
No way. Ah, yeah. Ow. Wow. There you have it.
It's been attacked.
Honestly. Why? Oh, relief. Right. Seriously, sensing. Wow. Now I'm standing straight.
Relax your feet.
A few moments later.
This is Panebits servicing, ringing, pistina.
Will and balance.
Honestly, wheel balancing, everything, alignments. My life.
Side.
Oh.
Yeah, relax your shoulder. Bring the head this way.
Oh.
Let it move. Relax.
Ow! Damn! Hold on. Ouch! Okay, man. I got to the head. Wow. Hold on.
How many years have you been waiting for this one? You don't even. My words are not even going.
That got everywhere. There's a pain on this side already.
Just relax. Relieve your neck.
Ay.
Relieve your kata.
It's still a lot.
Don't talk, sir. Just relax. Leave your head. Sideways.
Ow! Yeah.
Where did you
No way. No way. No way. Oh my. Wow. Ow. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. There you have it.
It's been attacked.
Honestly. Why? Oh, relief. Relief.
Back to this one.
Huh?
Come, sir.
Okay. The pain is gone. I tell you, the sharp pain here.
You start.
I tell you. Oh.
Down again.
Right. Oh boy.
Drop your shoulders down.
Seriously, sensing. Seriously, sensing. Wow. Now I'm standing straight.
Now I'm standing there. Don't talk, please. Let the neck move. Relax your feet. Are you with us?
Very, very well.
You can stand.
You're not happy around with me all along. This is Panebit servicing, ringing, pistina.
Will and balance.
Honestly, wheel balancing, everything, alignment. My life.
You okay?
People watching. You have to do this. Honestly, it must be a routine. Every 6 months.
Every 6 months. It depends on severity.
Severity.
It's like a car now. If you haven't serviced your car in 30-something years, or 10 years, or 1 year, you can't take the same thing with you. You okay?
This has taken too long.
So come and rest, sir.
Eh?
Come and rest.